What's up, LEGO fans? GDP Builds here. This is the way. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. Welcome to another episode of Camping with Bricks. Today I'm doing the LEGO City Air Race, set number 60260. Comes with 3 minifigures. Came out 2020 and has 140 pieces. The excitement is building at the LEGO City Air Race. Ace pilot and LEGO City TV star Riva has boarded her cool stunt plane and is heading skyward to join the Xtreme and Vitarush pilots in their high-speed helicopters. Join them as they blast away from each starting pylon, soar, loop, dive, and twist through the LEGO City skies, thrilling the crowds below who will be the first to cross the finish line. Ooh, that hit almost went over. So, got a couple instruction manuals here. There's the plane. All this is for the helicopter, and guess I didn't. Oh, yeah. And these things too, you can pull this and they spin up into the air. Probably won't do that because I'm afraid they might fly into my little fire that I got going over there. Find minifigures. Oh, here's our first two minifigures. He's got front printing, back printing, and double printed head, helmet. Yeah, head's racing away. This one's with the Extreme Sports. This one's got front printing, back printing, Vitarush. I'm assuming that's like a soft drink. He's only got one side printed head. Green helicopter first, which is the Extreme guys helicopter. Already got the stickers all applied. Trying to put one way, he went the wrong way. Dome. These helicopters are very easy to build. Like literally, it's just like a couple parts. Well, we'll put the minifigures in there. He just sits in there and is locked in. That part goes up inside it. We need one of these blades. There you go. Like so. Two of these nut bricks. This piece. This is just a little handle. Sit on top of it and you could like, and it goes flying. Maybe I'll try it over there or something. I just don't want these helicopters to go into that fire. I know someone by the name of Tony Meows, he might like that. Go like this. Doesn't really take flight. I think you have to like do it faster, but see how well that went. It's still spinning. It landed perfectly too. Ah, yeah, still together. The other dome. Like these are interesting Lego pieces. I'm surprised they don't do more of them like this or something. Don't know what I'd use it for. Something really cool to use it for something else. But then again, it's got to attach somehow, and it doesn't. It attaches to only these. So unless you could think of something else that the domes, these translucent pieces can attach to, let me know in the comments below. More of these snap bricks. Tiles. Darker blue tiles. Built these racing pylons. Now the plane. There's legs, torso, hair, helmet, head. So front printing, leg printing, back printing, and double printed head. That's what she looks like with her hair. And that's what the helmet. The bluish gray plate. This reverse slope, black plate. Like a plate slash tile. Another bluish gray plate. Rounded plate. Now people are starting to show up. Friday, people are camping. Now these red and green translucent studs. Red brick and reverse slope. Bluish gray plate. Two red hinge pieces. Tan plates. I have a dog. Uh, I like dogs. I also like my cat too. But I don't think my cat would want to go on a kayak ride or into the RV. It's wedge plates. This modified brick. Two, three, six black plates. Black slope brick with printing on it as a plain console, which is really nice. Piece slope and a green translucent stud. Slope. Another cheese slope and a red translucent stud this time. Another pink slope. Two white plates. Double wedge. White plate. Two shiny silvery studs. Two blue plates. There. Double wedged blue brick. Reversed slope. 1x6 brick. And plate. Double wedged blue plate. Blue plate. White plate. Here would be blue wedge plate. Up. 2x6 black plate. Two pink cheese wedges. One, two. Yellow seat. Two of these. Oh, I don't know. Ball plates. I don't know what they are. One blue brick. Oh, the air smells so nice out here. Better than the city. Blue tile. It's got sticker on it. And the sun just went up behind a cloud. Tile. This back wheel. Excuse me. Right there. No, two plates. There. There. It's two blocks. There you go. There. There. Knock over the pilot. Front wheels. Dome. Cockpit dome. Now the propeller. Why? Soy. Oh, what point was I? I missed that apparently at some point. Ah, it was before the dome. Here, color. No, but front. Go. All set. None. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Camping with Bricks. Two stunt helicopters, stunt plane, three minifigures. Hope you all enjoyed it. See you all in the next video. Stay safe out there. Watch out for yourself. Watch out for your family. Tell them you love them. And I'll see you on the next video. This is JDP Builds. This is the way.